Yeah, have a good day, guys. How are you all? Hope all is fine and doing very awesome. Look at the comment. There is this is scientific robot which is working really awesome. And let me show you the deals. $133 today profit. And this is all by this is scientific robot. You can check here in comment with proper stop loss and take profit. On VIX 100 and VIX 75 index. Okay, to the profit here is front of you guys, and now $133. Now it's time to take the withdrawal. Let's move on binary website. And look here, the withdrawal is done from my MT5 account, and now it's time to make withdrawal from cashier. And now it's time to make a withdrawal from cashier. Let's click on the withdraw button. They send me an email. Let's go and check the mail. Here's my mailbox. Here is verification with the email. Let's click on link and go and check out for withdraw payment $193 to the profit. Oh, it's taking a bit time to loading the cashier dashboard. $133. Let's click on amount. $33. Let's click on scroll and request for payout. And this is the benefit of making money with our DC Scientific Index robot. Thanks for watching, guys.